Malo, Nairobi.
Piny Kenya biro tiyo gi omenda maromo shillings bilion 91 e tero obila madhi keto kwe piny Haiti. Jatend migawo mar arita Kithure Kindiki olero ma e nyim komiti mar od bura marango weche mag arita kwe. Inspekta mar obila Jafet Kome bende ochopo e nyim komitino kama owacho ni chenro mar tero obila Haiti en gima owinjore otimre kendo Kenya ok onego odigni.
It will be foolhardy to expose the country to threats through our engagement in the multilateral or regional programs. To be foolhardy, it's unpatriotic, and we cannot go that route. In fact, the infrastructure for our country's fight against serious and complicated crime is intact. Our counterterrorism infrastructure is intact. Our infrastructure on the fight against banditry is intact. And there will be no disturbance. In fact, we want to use this occasion to try and even bolster that infrastructure as we engage bilaterally and multilaterally with the friends of Kenya. So rest assured, Senator Dulo, the Joint Committee, and the people of Kenya, that we will not disturb our internal operational capabilities. And let's leave it at that for now.
Kawadhi weche mag koth mapek mabedo chue pacho